Today we're going to be going through how you can do your own VAT return in Xero accounting software, saving yourself loads of time and effort and ensuring that your VAT return is correct. First of all, I recommend that you have a look online to learn a bit more about the actual VAT return process and what a VAT return is. It's the recovery of a VAT tax that HMRC charge on your sales that we need to declare to HMRC via a VAT return. Xero have fantastic guides on Xero Central, as well as within Xero software itself, showing you what you need to do and how you need to file your VAT return for MTD. If you look up on Google how to file and submit your VAT return, VAT notice 700/12, again, a very detailed guide will come up here from the local tax office, HMRC. And then, Xero is great. It allows you to easily submit your VAT returns online. It analyzes and prepares the VAT for you. It helps calculate the correct amount of VAT due to HMRC. You can manage your transactions as you're going along and set the correct VAT types, etc. You can file online to HMRC directly from the software. And there's lots and lots more guidance within the software itself. So in the software, if you go to accounting and VAT return, once you're on the VAT return section, you can pick a date that you need to run the return for, usually a 3-month period. So we're doing from 1st to 31st, hit create, and it goes away and finds all the data for you. You would be posting your analysis of VAT in on your purchase and sales invoices as you are going along. And again, within VAT, within Xero Central, there are guides for this. So looking up central.xero.com learning, and you can go into this from your Xero portal directly. You can get guides and videos. And if you type in VAT there, this brings up a guide for you where it takes you through step-by-step tax essentials for your business. Click on that. And then partway through there is a step-by-step guide on what to fill in and where and how within your return. Whilst you're on here, it's also good to, once you've prepared your return, you can finalize it and file it from this button at the bottom. You can export it into PDF and Excel. It's always good to export it into Excel to review the transactions to double check that they are correct. So the VAT return tab at the bottom has a look at your return. And there are 3 other tabs at the bottom: transactions by VAT box and transaction by VAT rate. It's always good to double check that the items that are in the standard 20% section are the correct ones in there, and the items in the exempt sections are the correct ones in there. The highest values on the VAT returns match, that you don't have duplicate invoices. So a check would be done at the end: transactions by VAT box and transactions by tax rate, to ensure that you reconcile the correct amount of VAT. Then when you're ready, you can finalize by clicking the VAT return. We found another fantastic guide online. Now, this is by a tax consultancy firm, Tolley's. They're directly linked to the Chartered Institute of Taxation. So if you look up on tolley.co.uk, Guide to Completing a VAT Return, this takes you through an understanding of all of the boxes on the VAT return, what goes in there and what doesn't. So alongside this, the guide from the HMRC VAT Notice 712 and the guides on Xero Central and directly on Xero software, it should give you enough information to help you to prepare your own VAT return on Xero. As always, if you need direct help and support and guidance from a qualified and licensed VAT consultant, VAT expert like TotalBooks, please feel free to reach out to us. You can find us on our website. Go to have a look at any one of our services, but you can book a consultation and have a look at our reviews and see the reviews that our clients have left us. And if you want to talk to an expert today about your VAT, just request a call back here or you can book a consultation, click the button, and we can set you up with a free 15-minute discovery call to discuss what services we can help you with, the investment involved in that, and the next steps for bringing us on. Very much for your time and looking forward to seeing you again soon. Take care.